Custom orthotics are only as good as the footwear you utilize it with. It's important to find the proper footwear that provides both support and can help increase balance improvements, because these are the types of things that will help alleviate foot and knee pain. Living an active lifestyle has numerous benefits, and the daily demands that we put on our feet require footwear that provides adequate support in addition to being durable. Properly selected footwear can help manage conditions such as bunions, plantar fasciitis, Morton's neuroma, and calluses. For these reasons, it's important to be properly fitted with the right shoe. This way it provides you with maximum comfort and stability in order to increase proper foot health. Here are some tips to finding the perfect shoes. For the best fit, try shoes on at the end of the day when your feet are most swollen. Be sure to prioritize comfort and support with style. Look for features like cushioning, arch support, proper widths, and breathable materials. In addition to full flexion and torsional stability with a solid rear foot counter support. Wondering when to replace your shoes? Typically, it's advised that you replace your worn out shoes roughly every 8 to 12 months, or possibly sooner, if they are showing early signs of wear and tear, and particularly if you're an active individual. Be sure to go and book an appointment with your nearest BioPed so they can help inspect your shoes if you're unsure when they need to be replaced or not.